So what we're doing here is we're planting the yam daisy seeds. These ones are Microseris lanceolata. Can't get that to focus. There we go. And we're direct sowing them into a garden bed, a veggie garden bed. Now this bed has been prepared we ran a crop of corn through it. Corn is a very big feeder, and you know the main thing that Australian native plants struggle with is a high phosphate. You know, the corn hopefully have stripped all of the phosphorus out of the soil. And so we'll see how we go direct sowing. I've only ever planted them as tubers before, so this is a bit of an experiment. And we're doing spacing here is 10 centimeters roughly. And they were given a nitrogen fertilizer, but by the time the bulb, the tuber is forming, that should all be depleted. So it will just help them to get their leaves up. Yeah. So here we are again at Wagtail. It's been a month since I put the yam daisy seeds in, like sowed directly, and they're just starting to, you can see that's one coming up there. You can see the spent seed there. I've gone through, there's another one there. There's actually a fair few germinating. A week ago I thought, no, this wasn't working. Because sowing in trays, they come up, you know, almost within the week. There's another one here. I reckon that one's just popping up. So yeah, I think this is going to be successful. What I'm doing now is I'm transplanting some that I've sown here. These are actually questionably Microseris scapigiera. These ones I got sent from a friend, I think from New South Wales. So I'm planting these in this row, and you can see the spacing about 20 centimeters, just because the soil's so rich here. And then this is another experiment. All these experiments going on. So these are the Microseris lanceolata that I seeded last year and grew for one complete year, and now I'm putting them into the ground. I'll try my best and hold this so you can see what the tuber looks like. There we go. So that is a 1-year-old yam daisy tuber with new growth from this year. And I'll plant these out and see how they go. Again, this soil, I had a crop of corn go through this summer. We're in May now, I think 5th or 6th of May. So I've just harvested it, and hopefully the corn has taken all the potassium out of the soil, because it was quite high in potassium. Phosphorus. So yeah, we'll see how this goes and report back.